Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Today we are going to window AC cycling and window AC parts. So today we are checking window AC parts. This is compressor to condenser. It will be high pressure, high temperature and vapor gas will be produced to condenser. It is the condenser coil. It is heat reject the condenser coil with the fan motor using. Here only high pressure, high temperature and vapor to liquid procedure will be converted. It will be going to condenser to capillary tube. It is high pressure, normal temperature and vapor. This is the filter dryer. Nearby filter dryer is there. This is removing the moisture. Then it will be come to gases come to in evaporator. Here heat absorb using fan through. Here only cooling coil, this one. So this is we are both in cooling coil and evaporator also we are saying. So this is the return from evaporator to compressor. This is the return to evaporator to compress. This is the cycling of window AC. So please here four parts only: compressor, condenser, capillary tube and then evaporator or cooling coil. This is the charging line. Here on charging line. So this is the cycle. Thank you for watching.